A very good morning, students. Today we will be starting our chapter number 11, that is Plants Our Friends. In today's class we will be studying about tree, shrub, herb, climbers and creepers. So we all see plants around us. Some plants are big, some plants are small. First of all, let us study about tree. I have drawn here a tree. What are the example of the tree? Like peepal, jamun, mango tree, ashoka. This all are the trees. So a big and tall plant is called a tree. It has many branches. A tree had a hard and thick stem. Here the stem, it is very hard and thick. This is called the trunk. This stem, it is called as the trunk. Mango, banyan, peepal, jamun, coconut and neem are trees. Many trees can live up to 100 years. These trees, they can live up to 100 years. Next it comes the shrub. A shrub is much smaller than a tree. This is a shrub. It is smaller than the tree. A shrub has many branches. These are the branches. It has many branches. These branches grow close to the ground. What are the examples? They are rose, cotton, mehendi, hibiscus. These all are the example of shrub. Most shrub live for 5 years. Next it comes a herb. A herb is a very small plant. It has soft stem like spinach, mint, tomato, rice. These are herb. Most herbs live for few months. Next it comes the climber. A climber has a weak stem. It cannot grow straight. It needs support to stand and grow straight. What are the example of the climber? Pea, bean, money plant. They are the example of the climbers. So let us revise this again. Plants are our friends. Yes, plants are our friend. What are friends? Who helps us? The plants, they give us oxygen. From the plant we get the food. So the plants, they are our friend. We must never cut the tree. Now the plants, they are found everywhere. First of all, we will be studying about tree. So what is a tree? A tree, it is large. The stem of the tree, it is very thick. It is known as the trunk. And the tree has many branches. What are the example of the tree? Peepal, jamun, mango tree, ashoka. This all are the example of tree. Trees, they are very big in size. You cannot grow the tree in pot. The tree, it needs a lots of space because their root, it is very deep. Next we will be studying, that is about shrub. So what is shrub? Shrub, they are smaller than tree. This shrub you can grow in pot. You can grow it inside your home also in pot. This shrub also have many branches, but these branches, they are close to the ground. What are the example of the shrub? Like rose, cotton, tulsi. Most of you are having the tulsi at the home. So this all are the example of the shrub. The shrub can live up to 5 years. The tree, it lives for many years. Shrub can live up to 5 years. Next it comes the herb. The herb, they are very small like spinach, mint. These are the herb. Their stem, it is very thin. Generally it is green in color. The next is the climber. The climber, it is having very thin stem. So they cannot stand in a straight position. What are the example of the climber? Like money plant, pea. These are the example of the climber. The next last that we will be studying, it is a creeper. Next that we will be studying, it is the creeper. So what is a creeper? A creeper has a very big stem. It grows along the ground. What are the example of the creeper? Watermelon, bottle gourd. What is bottle gourd? It is Loki. Bottle gourd. These are the example of the creeper. The creeper, it has very big stem. So they grow along with the ground, and what are its example? It is watermelon and bottle gourd. So in today's class we will be studying up to here only. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.